Hello, my lesson for today is Gregg Shorthand writing for beginners. Another oral reading. To the staff, I am glad to be able to write you that in April and May, we had a good increase in the sale of our sugar products, period. I am well pleased, period. This increase can be traced to three factors, paragraph number 1. The hard work of our salesperson, paragraph number 2. The fine work of the copywriters who prepared the circulars we mailed to our dealers in March, paragraph number 3. The fine work of our shipping staff who filled all orders the same day they came in, paragraph. May I thank each of you sincerely for your cooperation, period. E.J. Smith. Mrs. Tucker, thank you for the copy of the notes you made at our March sales meeting in Tulsa, period. I was glad to get them because I left my own notes on the plane and was not able to recover them, period. Your notes will be of great help to Mr. Parks and Mr. White, who will soon start working on their plans for the July meeting, paragraph. I learned yesterday that the only day on which we can hold our July meeting is July 31, period. All the meeting rooms in our building will be full from July 1 through July 30, paragraph. Again, thanks for the notes you enclosed with your letter, period. It will be nice to see you again at the meeting on July 31, period. Ethel Booth.